Welcome to the greenapi channel. In this video, we will go through the process of launching a WhatsApp webhook server in C++ using greenapi in Docker. Previously, we covered the build process. The link to that video will be in the description and in the pop-up window on your screen. To set up a Docker container, you need Docker with Docker Compose. You can install them via Docker Desktop on Windows or through Docker Engine if you are using Linux. Links are in the description. Go to the repository. The link is available in the description below the video. Download it using git clone or as an archive. In the latter case, unzip the project after downloading. Navigate to the downloaded directory. For a successful Docker image build, the system requires the useradapter.cpp file located in the resource directory. If you are using the library for the first time, simply rename the example file useradapter.cpp by removing the underscore. By default, the server opens on port 5000. If you want to change it, then modify two files. In the config.json file, change the address value to the port you need. Specify the same port in dockercompose.iml by changing the value of the port's variable. After that, you can build the project. Run the following command, docker compose app build. This command builds the Docker container and launches it on the port specified in compose.yaml, which defaults to 5000. During the build process, all contents from the project directory are transferred into the Docker container, including configuration files, JSON validation schemas, and source code, along with the custom notification handler function. You can test the server using a Postman collection. To do this, download and open the specially prepared Postman collection in advance. Include the address where the webhook request should be sent, by default localhost 5000, and run the collection. In the console, you will receive all sent notifications. To restart, if you haven't changed any files in the project, run the following command, docker compose app. You can also start the container using Docker Desktop. In this video, we covered the setup and launch of a webhook server in C++ in Docker using greenapi. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact our greenapi support team.